Jagoro maduong' mar kotu Francis Atwoli oseyo kang' mar deko keto e tim nyongesa mane osingne jotije. Oseyo jogo mandiko oganda e tich ka odwaro mar mondo mi ne ni nyongesa no oketi e tim. Wechego kata kamano osir gi jatend piny ma ogolo chik mar neno ni jotich oyudo nyongesa.
I'm appealing to Kenyans, Your Excellency. We must love this country. We have no any other country. If this country went down to dogs, we have no any exit route. Kenyans are watching their television. They should look what is happening in Bukavu, in what is happening in Goma. Pali mtu anatoka na watoto na kondoo, wanafika kwa njia wana abandon kondoo, anarudi kwa watoto yake na wajafika pahali wanaenda. This is not the route we want to take. But Your Excellency, one day you Kenyans will remember me. If we don't regulate social media, if we don't, in China where you have been, it is regulated. With a population of about 1.4 billion people. In Dubai, it is regulated. In UK, it is regulated. In US, it is regulated. Kenya cannot be free for all. Kenya can't.